Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. If you are new here, thank you for checking us out, and please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and occasionally I put up a bonus video on a Sunday. Now today is not a tutorial at all. I just fancy just doing my nails, and really basic. I kind of didn't want to do monochrome black and white. So just to make it pretty, I was thinking maybe lace. So I have Born Pretty BPL 086, which is a lovely lace plate. So I think I will stamp with this and I will just paint my nails black. So I'm just going to go in with the Essence gel in Black is Black. So I am just going to remove any oils that may be on my nails from cuticle oil or anything like that. Before I do, really I should put down a base coat because this is going to stain. Okay, all painted, only just need one coat with them. So there is 3 images on this plate I really like. I like this one here. I like the kind of honeycomb one as well. See if a bit better there. Yeah, so I like this honeycomb one here. I like this rose one here, and I like this rose one. I actually really like this rose one here. I've used that a couple of times, so it is time for something new. So I think I'll go with, oh, look at the hearts. Haha. If Valentine's Day is coming up, we could do lacy Valentine nails. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we'll go with the hearts. Okay, I can already see it's just too much. Yeah, I ain't going with the hearts. So there we have them. I have top coated them and I have oiled them, and that is the finished look. And I think they're nice and pretty. They're quite classy. No, it didn't go with the hearts in the end, but they're still quite, you know, lace just really gives that love feeling, doesn't it? I really like them. If you like them, guys, please give us a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. It really, really, really does help me out. So until the next one, stay safe. We will see you soon. Bye.